Hello and welcome to Dhyey Consulting's non-moving inventory analysis Power BI app. At Dhyey, we have set out to implement projects that help you monetize your data. We design apps and dashboards focusing on leading KPIs and tailor our solutions specific to processes businesses like yours seek to optimize. You can now employ historical data and often incorporate external factors to generate actionable insights that can help you navigate your day-to-day business activities and refine your strategies in a rapidly changing environment. This dashboard helps identify slow-moving or stagnant inventory by comparing purchased versus used quantities over time and across items. You can track how much stock remains unused, view purchase age buckets, and pinpoint which items have sat in the storage the longest. The month-wise trends also highlight usage gaps and overstocking patterns. With these insights, you can reduce holding costs, free up warehouse space, and make smarter purchase decisions going forward.